a mini meditation to inspire yourself for more life joy. My dad always said, don't make presents for Christmas. And he kept it always. But the rest of the family, they love to make small gifts and presents and think about packing it and surprising each other in a lovingly way. So we had both. And this year it was completely different. Because I was and I am still in Bali. So far away from my genetic family in Germany. But I am with my heart friends. After a wonderful day, full of delicious food, of beautiful ceremonies, of laughing and giggling together, it was nighttime. And I got the message from a friend in Germany: have fun unwrapping your presents. And I was quite surprised. How many presents did I open today? Pull the bow, wrap the paper away from the present, and be surprised what is inside. Actually, not one. I know it's beautiful to unpack something, but then, no, I didn't. And then it was so clear, crystal clear. I am living the biggest present of my life. It is to be alive, to be with the one I love, to feel home, to feel safe and loved. And I'm so thankful. Now I understand. Life is the biggest present